Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the puzzle guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve for the wooden puzzle. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 and the object is to disassemble it and reassemble it. This puzzle has 9 parts and at the first glance it looks like a cube, but actually it isn't. It has completely different shape, as you can see, and all 9 parts have a different shape as well. They don't look like a regular wooden bricks. They have these angled sides that makes very difficult to find the way how to put them inside. So if you try to find a way, you end up with some kind of different way to put it inside, but not the way you want it to be. If you like for the wooden puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. So first we have to disassemble this puzzle, and it's pretty easy to do. Just remove all the parts from the tray, and now we have to put all parts inside. So first we have 3 small parts. They go right in the middle of each layer of this puzzle. So next what you have to do is to put 3 other parts. You can choose any part you want. I prefer to put 3 different colors in the first layer and then 3 different colors in the second layer. So it's gonna be like I will put these 3 parts for the first layer, and these 3 parts are gonna be the second layer. So now I have to find a way how to put these parts inside, and as you can see, if I put it like this, they're sticking out on this side. If I put it like this, they're sticking out again. But at the end, you will, when you will be trying to try all sides of this brick, you will find a way how to put it. So the next part goes right in here on this side, and the last part goes right in this corner like this. As you can see, the first layer is done. Now we can put another small part, and now we can put all other parts, but this time we have to put it a little bit different. They're gonna be like this. So that's gonna be the black part. Now I will put blue parts so that it's gonna be opposite to another blue part. And again, you can try just rotating this part. It doesn't fit like this, doesn't fit like this and this, but on one way it's gonna fit perfect. And the last one, again, you can just find a way how to put it inside, and then you can put the smallest part. And that's it. That's how you can solve this for the wooden puzzle. This puzzle is not very difficult to find solution, but it looks very beautiful, and it's more like a showpiece than a puzzle. So you can put it on your shelf or on your desk, and everybody gonna be wondering what is it. If you like for the wooden puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.